Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome back to my series called 30 Days of Yoga with This Curvi Yogi. And today we are going to do a simple gate pose flow. So you can grab a block and your mat, and we'll get started. So we are going to start in table. So you're going to make sure that your wrists are under your shoulders, knees are under your hips. And then from here, we're going to bring that right leg out from the hip to the right side. And then bring your hands to your hips. And just grab your block and have it over to your left. So from here, we're going to bring the arms out and up. Inhale. On the exhale, you're going to bring your left hand down to rest on your leg, and your right arm reaches over. So we don't want to put a lot of pressure on this leg. You're just having this hand rest there. It's not a lot of pressing down. Inhale as you bring both arms back up. Exhale as you bring your right arm down. So your right arm can come to a block if that's more comfortable for you, and it can be on the tall or the medium height, or if you don't prefer the block, the hand can come down to the mat. And then inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm down. Inhale up. Exhale, right arm comes down. And inhale, both arms up. On the exhale, you're going to bring the hands down in front of you. Keep the right foot extended. And we're going to sit the hips back on the heels. And then draw the right toes up towards your body. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Put the right foot down, coming back up on the knee. Bring that right leg in to meet the left. We're going to bring the block over to the opposite side. Extend that opposite foot out to the side. Bring the hands to the hips. We'll do the same thing on this side. So inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale, your right arm comes down to rest on the left leg. On the right leg, excuse me. And inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm comes down to the mat or a block. Right arm reaches alongside the ear. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, right arm down. Left arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left arm comes down. Right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. This time you're going to bring the hands down in front of you. Sit the hips back on the heels and draw the left toes or the right toes back up towards your body. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The left toes down, coming back up. And then bring that leg back in. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to add a little bit to it. A little bit of balance to it. So extend your left foot. Come up to your hips. Bring your hands to your hips. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, left hand comes down, right arm reaches over. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, left hand comes down. The right hand comes down. This time you're gonna lift that left leg if you can. It may not come far off the ground, and that's fine. And breathe. And then release it down. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, hands down in front of you. We're gonna bring that left leg in. This time we're gonna switch to the other side. Right leg out. Bring the hands to the hips. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right arm down. Inhale. Exhale, left arm down. This time you're gonna reach that left foot up. And breathe. Full inhales and exhales. It's almost over. And then release that foot down. Bring the arms up. Exhale them down in front of you. And bring that knee in. Thank you guys for joining me for this practice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below and hit the bell for notifications. Remember, all these sequences are designed for you to piece together your own yoga flow, and I hope you'll check out the other videos, and I hope to see you in my next video.